Hello guys, welcome back to our channel where we are beginning with new lab today. So our lab's name today is Data Prep. Quick start. Let's quickly have a overlook like what this lab is about. Cloud Data Prep by Trifacta is an intelligent data service for visually exploring, cleaning and preparing data for analysis. Cloud Data Prep is serverless and works at any scale. There is no infrastructure to deploy or manage. Easy data preparation with clicks and no code. Okay. So in this lab, we will be using data prep to manipulate a data set. Okay, we will be manipulating a data set where we will be importing data sets, correct mismatched data, and transform that data. Also, we will be joining data. Wow, this lab seems pretty cool. So to the viewers who are new to my channel, I document my coding journey here, challenging myself at each and every step and trying to do better things. So this lab is what I'm trying for the first time, so you may find some incidences where I would be doing wrong things also. If time permits and I'm successful enough, then I will be correcting those mistakes too. So everything will be recorded in this video. No cutting, no editing of any sort. Like mistakes will also be displayed in public. Even they may be silly to a very noob level. So let's continue with our overview. This is the setup and requirements. So this is common for all the labs of 30 days of Google Cloud program. So okay, let's not read what is below. Let's just start with our lab first. The time will run and then we will begin with. So start lab, use subscription. Okay, so let's just copy our password, open Google Console. Email will be auto-filled. Let's paste our password, Control B, next we go. Accept, and now comes the terms and conditions. I agree. Then what is our task? We have to go to the navigation menu. In the cloud storage, we have to go in the browser section and create a bucket. Okay, cloud storage. In the browser, we have to create a bucket, create new bucket, create a bucket, name, leave others, their default value. So pick a globally unique name. So every time we pick up a name of our project ID, which is globally unique. No project ID is same with your project ID. Okay, continue. And then what did they say? We just create. Okay, that was pretty simple. We have created a bucket. Once we get a tick, okay, a bucket is created. Verify our task. Okay, now we initialize Cloud Data Prep. In the navigation menu, we go to the Data Prep. Navigation menu, search for the Data Prep. Data, no, it's data proc. Okay, I've read something with D above debugger. Okay, it is debugger. We are searching for data prep. Data proc. Data prep. No, this is the end of the navigation menu. Home, tables, text to speech, retail, natural language, data. Here, data prep. It was pretty down in the navigation menu, so we click accept. Sharing your agree. Okay, we are agreeing the terms and conditions. Then the instruction page says we check this box and we again agree. Okay, we click allow again. What does the instruction page says next? So click your student's username to sign in and Into the cloud data prep, your username is username. This is our username. It is loading, buffering. So this is our student's username. Of course, we would have to allow this. First time setup. So default would be continue. This is the default storage location, which is also into the cloud with our username. And here we have successfully created our account with data prep. Thanks to the assessment. Now we have to create a flow. Cloud data prep uses a flow workspace to access and manipulate data sets. Okay, so we have to click on the flow icon, then create button, and then select bank flow. So let's switch to our tab. Then we have to click on the flows. We have to click on create and then bank flow. Upcoming maintenance window for all users from October 30. Thank God, then we are doing it one day prior. Then click on untitled flow. Then name and describe the flow. Since this lab uses 2016 data from US, name the flow FEC 2016. Control C and then describe it as United. Okay, let's first paste this. Sorry, where an untitled flow. Click on the untitled flow. We are already in the untitled flow. Then we have to name the following as FEC 2016 and the description goes as the following: United States Federal Election Commission 2016. Comment me down who won the election of 2016 in USA. I don't remember, I don't know. So you guys commented down, let me know. So we are done with the renaming. We click on the OK button. Now what do? We import data sets of FEC 2016. So we click on data sets and then select import data sets link. Sure. We go in the data set section. Click on the import data sets. So therefore we would be creating edit, select the cloud storage, then click on the edit part, and what do we search there? Type GS in a choose file or folder text box, then click. Let's just select this, then Control C. We have to come into our tab and search Control V. Now they say there's nothing to display. Let's wait. You have to widen window. Wait. We are in the wrong tab. Control C. Choose the file or folder. Control V. Close this and go here. Let's search. Control V. Not this. Windows V. Select and then go. We got FEC. Then you may widen to the browser window to see go and cancel button. Yeah, we do have the go and cancel button. We did. We went with the go button. Click US FEC. Click US FEC. Now what? Click the plus icon next to CN 2016.txt to create a data set shown in the right pane. Click on the title in the data set in the right pane and rename it Candidate Master 2016. So click on the CN 2016 text. CN 2016.txt. This button. Now click on the title dataset and rename it as will be copied. Okay, we copied it. New name. So the new name here for the title would be Candidate Master 2016. Then in the same way we add itconf 2016.txt to the campaign's contributions 2016. Control C. Let's save this. Okay, don't we have to save this? itconf 2016.org or just the normal one? It's just the 2016. Here we had two. So this is the one. Edit the title with Windows V, campaign solution. Here we go. Now both data sets are listed in the right pane and click import and add to flow. Import and add to flow. Add it. So this is how we add our data sets into flow. That's nice. This program of Google is much appreciable, so that students like us who have no experience in cloud architecture or cloud solutions are getting to know and learn such valuable things. So we added the above data sets into our flow. Now prep the candidate file. By default, the candidate master is selected in the right plane and click edit recipe. We have edited our recipe. Then the transformer page is where you build your recipe and see the results of the data sets, each of the section. I guess this part is a learning part which I will learn myself. Like it will take you guys time, so I will just wrap this recording because you see your purpose of coming to this video has been achieved. A complete 100 and this lab is completed in terms of its score and its test. So the part of this remaining part of this would be completed by me as my personal learning, and I would not bother your precious and valuable time with it. So I will pause the recording. That's that for today's video. It was fun having you guys on my channel. Stay connected for further videos and take my journey. Let's have absolute champion time. That's that then. See you. Bye.